Here are 3 hidden female secrets about women's breasts that most men don't know. Number 1. They are more sensitive than you think, but not always in a good way. Many men assume that all women love breast stimulation, but the truth is, it varies a lot. While some women enjoy it, others might find it uncomfortable or even painful. Sensitivity levels can change due to hormones, menstrual cycles, or even stress. So the key? Pay attention to her reactions and ask what she likes. Number 2. They change shape and size more than you realize. A woman's breasts aren't just one fixed size, they fluctuate due to hormones, weight changes, and even hydration levels. During different times of the month, especially around ovulation or menstruation, they can become fuller, firmer, or more sensitive. This is completely natural, but many men don't notice or realize why it happens. Number 3. Cleavage doesn't always mean attraction. A lot of men assume that if a woman is showing cleavage, it's an invitation or a way to get attention. But in reality, many women dress for themselves, for comfort, confidence, or just because a certain outfit fits that way. While some women do use cleavage to flirt, it's not always intentional. The real sign of attraction? Eye contact, body language, and how she interacts with you. Number 4. Each breast has a mind of its own. Most men assume that a woman's breasts are identical, but in reality, they are naturally asymmetrical. One is usually slightly bigger or shaped differently than the other. This is completely normal and happens due to genetics, hormones, and even sleeping positions. Some women are self-conscious about this, so being mindful and appreciating her natural shape can go a long way in making her feel confident. If you like these sort of psychological facts about humans' behavior, then subscribe to our channel for more such video and also share it with your friends.